So in the Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find growth stocks to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once you open up Seeking Alpha, I want you to go to the top left, press on the arrow, then scroll down to where it says Stock Analysis, and then press on Stock Ideas. Under the Stock Ideas page, I want you to scroll down all the way to where you see growth stocks right here. So if you scroll down the G, it'll say growth and then press on that. Now once you're here, it'll say the latest growth stock analysis. So what you can actually do now is view a bunch of different articles, and in these articles, it'll mention different growth stocks that they're talking about. Then you can go ahead and take this information and then make a decision on whether you want to invest in those stocks potentially, maybe avoid them, whatever the case may be. There is some analysis on these growth stocks in these articles. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to find growth stocks to invest in on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.